Here is a weak contactor coil that's buzzing and not allowing the heat strips to come on, so it's gonna have to be replaced. See, it's supposed to be like 16 ohms, but you see I'm getting 2.1, and I'm measuring it up there on the contactor coil with my meter leads connected. But I'll take it off and show you the contactor buzzing, just so you'll know if you don't already know. You're gonna see the contactor start buzzing because the contactor coil is weak. You see I got my one lead on ground, common, my other lead connected yellow to here. Because the contactor coil is weak, it's going to cause my voltage to drop down from 26 with it not connected to 11 with it connected to that coil. So just watch when I turn it on. After a slight delay. .5, and I'm gonna shut it off and show you. Now what I'm gonna do next is take it off. I'm gonna take it off the contactor and show you I got 26 volts. Alright, let's see now. It's not connected to the contactor. Now watch my voltage stays at 26. See? It's keeping my 26 volts now. Got a bad contactor. And I'm going to replace this board as well.